Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Knowledge. This video is about 65 rare most valuable stamps. 1913 10p dull red used example. Rarest regularly issued stamp of Albania. Michel number 11 price 4,500 euro. Albania 1929 5Q to 3 franc airpost overprints. Complete set elusive airpost set Michel number 210 to 216 price 1,800 euros. Argentina 1864 10 cent green light CDS cancel tiny trace of thin spot price in the catalog $1,200. Now Argentina 1858 3p green fresh and sound used example of this elusive stamp price $750. Next stamp is from Australia 1916 1 pound ultramarine and brown orange rich fresh color Stanley Gibbon number 44A and price is £2,250. Austria 1918 7K7 on 10K red brown airpost. Choice example Michel number 11A and price 650 euros. Next is Azores 1882 150R blue perforation 12.5 a seldom offered stamp and price is $1,800. Belgium 1933 10 cent plus 10 cent to 10 franc plus 40 franc Mercier with boxed hand stamp complete set. Price 4,400 euros. Belgium 1915 2 franc violet railway stamp. Michel number 56 and price 2,000 euros in this catalog. Benin 1892 15 cent blue with blue Benin hand stamp. Unused example Vivat number 6A and price 2,100 euros. Next is from Bolivia 1869 500 cent black full original gum especially rare thus. Price $2,250. Next is also from Bolivia 1930 10 cent vermilion and black airpost with brown overprint and price $650. Now this is from Canada 12p black plate proof on India with carmine specimen overprint. Unitrade catalog price 2,500 Canadian dollar. Again from Canada 1852 3 pence brown red on medium wove paper. Unitrade price 350 Canadian dollars. Another stamp from Canada 1868 12.5 cent deep blue on thin paper. Unitrade catalog price 2,700 Canadian dollar. Canada stamp issued in 1924 7 cent red brown thin paper and dry printing. Unitrade catalog price 900 Canadian dollar. Now Caroline Island 1899 3p light brown with Carolinian diagonal overprint. Michel number 1 price 750 euros. Castellarizo 1920 20p on 5 franc dark blue and buff. Vivet number 13 and price in this catalog 650 euros. Now this is from China 1897 2 cent on 3 Candarin lilac fresh mint example and price is $800. Next stamp is also from China 1912 $1 red and pale rose Nankin provisional price $2,100. Now Colombia stamp issued in 1990 10 cent rose airpost. There is some faint toning but price is $3,250. Another stamp from Colombia 1920 10 cent flyer in the plain airpost without gum is issued. Price $3,250. Next stamp is from Czechoslovakia 1919 10K deep violet with overprint. Michel number 54B and price is 400 euros. Another stamp from Czechoslovakia 1919 50H rose red with overprint. Michel number 88 and price is 400 euros. Another stamp from Czechoslovakia 1919 2F green and black with overprint. Michel number 146 and price in this catalog 700 euros. Now Diego Cyrus 1892 60 cent black postage due used example tied to a piece by full CDS postmark. Vivat number TT12 and 850 euros price. Diego Suarez 1892 1 franc brown postage due with Diego Suarez overprint. Vivat number TT13 and price 1,600 euros. Now France 1850 40 cent orange vermilion on yellowish type 1 mint example Vivat number 5A and price 5,000 euros. Now France 1862 10 cent bister on yellowish paper Vivat number 21 and price 1,900 euros. Another stamp from France 1862, 80 cent, rose on pinkish paper. Vivat number 24 and price is 1500 euros. Another stamp from France 1870, 10 cent, bistre on yellowish paper. Vivat number 43A and price is 1000 euros. Another series stamp from France 1870, 20 cent blue on bluish, type 2 report 2, vivat number 45P and for hinged value 1200 euro. French office in China 1903, 15 cent blue postage due, tied to a piece, vivat number TT8 and price 950 euros. French office in China 1901, 15 cent blue with Hoi Heo overprint, vivat number 7 and price 2000 euros. French office in Egypt 1921, 30 mm, surcharge on 50 cent red violet postage due, vivat number TT4 and price is 3500 euros. French office in Zanzibar 1897, 2.5A and 25 cent green on greenish, vivat type 1 and the catalog number 37. French office in Zanzibar 1897, 5A and 50C red on straw, vivat type 4 and the catalog number 46. French office in Zanzibar 1904, 25 cent and 2.5A on 3A on 30 cent lilac, vivat number 65. French Congo 1891, 5 cent surcharge on 20 cent, red on green, used example, vivat number 3, price 475 euros. Now, French Guiana 1886, 0F05 surcharge on 2 cent green on greenish, vivat number 1A and price 900 euros. French Morocco 1914 plus 5 cent surcharge on 10 cent rose, vivat number 56 and price 1350 euros. Gabon 1889, 15 cent black on rose, vivat number 14 and price in this catalog 2000 euros. Next is from Germany 1900, 5M slate and carmine without the retouch, Michel number 66I and price 1700 euros. Next is from German office in China 1898, 5PF on 10PF, carmine Fucho provisional, Michel number 71 and price 700 euros. German office in China 1920 PF ultramarine with Tianjin China provisional overprint, Michel number 11, price 1200 euros. German office in China 1980 P lake and black Tianjin provisional hand stamp China, Michel number 14, price 6000 euros. Great Britain stamp 1840, 1 penny black Queen Victoria red Maltese cross cancel, Stanley Gibbon number 1 and price 375 pounds. Great Britain 1884, 1 pound brown violet color, Stanley Gibbon number 185 and price is 24,000 British pounds. Now Honduras 1925, 5 cent dark blue with double black overprint, price $1,500. Next is also from Honduras 1925, 1 penny yellow green with black overprint, price is $600. Another stamp is also from Honduras 1930, 5 cent on 10 cent blue with yellow overprint, price is $450. Next is from Hungary 1914, 20F green and black postage due, vertical watermark, Michel number 3210 and price 1400 euros. Next stamp is from Iceland 1897, 3A on 5A green, small braid surcharge tied to a piece and the facet catalog number is 36. Iceland 1902 to 3, 6A grey black overprint, perforation 13 and the facet catalog number is 52. Next is from India 1855, 4 Anna red and blue vignette die 3 and frame die 2. Stanley Gibbon number 23, price 225 pounds. This is from Iran 1876, 10S black unused example with fully inked impression and the price in the catalog is $600. Another stamp from Iran 1878, 5K bronze red, used example with light violet cancel, price is $1,750. Italy 1921, 10 cent claret with blue BLP overprint, Sezzoni number 1 and price 1500 euros. Another stamp is also from Italy 1933, Belbo Airpost official, Seasoni catalog number 1 and price is 3,800 euros. Italy 1934 10L blue black with Servizio di Stato gold overprint. Seasoni catalog number 2 price 1,000 euros. Ivory Coast 1903 50-cent lilac with Collis Posta overprint. Vivid number CP4A price 400 euros. Ivory Coast 1905 8 franc surcharge on 1 franc rose on buff. Vivid number CP22 price 780 euros. Korea 1957 48 and 205 age Treaty of Friendship souvenir sheet price $900. This is a souvenir sheet. Now this is from Liberia 1915 50 cent on $2 deep green and black type M surcharge and price is $800. This is from Liberia 1893 10 cent Robert Spot registration stamp and price is $1,000. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.